Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to handle mouse actions such as click, double click, context click, right click, mouse over on element, drag and drop, and scrolling with mouse. Okay, to show you this, I'm using this web page. Okay, and I'll leave this link in the description so you can practice along with me. Okay, so let us get started. I've already created the spec file, okay, and launched the browser and all. So now the first thing we'll do is click. Okay, so this is the place where we are clicking, and we'll validate this text, the click text. Okay, so you know already how to click, correct? So just perform dot click after the locator. Okay, just inspect it. Let me take the locator. Okay, it has id ash, the id name. Okay, so it has two matching elements. Okay, we'll take div tag. Okay, tag name, where is that? Class, div space. Okay, div space, the id name. Okay, so now it is highlighting only one element. Okay, let us copy this. Okay, so await page dot locator. So this is the locator dot click. Okay, so this is one way of clicking on the element, or we can do that await page dot click. So we can do this also, and inside the click pass the element to be clicked. Okay, so this is also we can do. Okay, so now let us give some weight and see the application. Okay, await page dot wait for timeout. I'll give 5 seconds wait. Okay, so now let us add the assertion. Okay, so what is the assertion? Let us validate that after clicking, so this text should be click. Okay, so by default it will not be there. Okay, so let me, yeah, refresh. Okay, so now there is no click here, correct? So once we click on that, it is visible. Okay, so let us validate that the text should be visible. Okay, so the locator is id, click type. Okay, await expect page dot locator. So the locator is click type. This is id. Okay, so what assertion? Dot to have text, we can use this assertion method. So the text should be click. Okay, and also we can say that this should not be visible by default. Okay, so we can add that also. Okay, okay, so for that we'll say we'll take the same locator, copy, not to be visible. Okay, so now let us execute this. So what is the spec name? It is mouse actions. Mouse actions. Okay, okay, it clicked on it. See here. Okay, okay, one test passed. So now what we will do? We will do right click. So in the same place we can do right click, and once we do right click, so here the text is getting changed to right click. Okay, so here the id is same for both of them. Okay, so let me copy the same locator. Okay, so for right click, so here after the click what we need to do is button. So I'll show you here. This is for right click. Okay, so after the click, inside a curly braces, type button colon, inside a single quote, type right. Okay, button colon, inside a single quote, type right. So it will right click on the element. Okay, so or we can do another way. Okay, just copy the locator just like this. Okay, after click, and here after the locator, do within a what is that, curly braces, type button colon, inside a single quote, type right. The same thing. Okay, so here we are passing inside the click method. So here, sorry, here inside the click method, here also inside the click method, but after the locator. Okay, okay, so let me comment these two line, the click, and here let us add, change the validation. Okay, instead of click it should be right click. Okay, let me comment this one. Okay, so what we have done here, to right click we need to do after click, inside a curly braces, button colon right, or after click, after the locator, we can pass this argument. Okay, so let us execute this. Okay, so it's right clicked. Okay, okay, the next one is double click. Okay, so we'll use the same locators. Okay, so for double click, so just dbl dot click, it's dbl click. Okay, for right click, this one, inside curly braces, button colon right. Okay, so now let me take the same locator. Okay, I'll copy the same locator and I will remove this button thing. So here instead of click, we should say DBL click. DBL click. DBL click means double click. Okay. Okay. And same thing here. Okay. So here also instead of click, we can say double click. Okay. So I'll just copy this, page dot DBL click. Page dot, instead of locator, we can use DBL click. Okay. I will copy the same assertion. So here for double click, okay, so the text should be double click. I'm copying it. Okay, I'm commenting this right click code. Okay, let us execute this. Okay, double clicked. Okay, okay, we can see the text here. Okay, so now what we will do, we will mouse hover on it. Okay, so we have an element. I'll scroll down. See, we have this element, and if I mouse hover on it, so it is giving us three options. Okay, if I select this, sorry, if I select this here, the text is displaying. Okay, so first let us inspect this. Okay, so let me comment this code. Okay, so now let us inspect this, choose language. So it has class drop btn. Okay, let us confirm once again. Dot class name, it has two matching element. Okay, so let us take the button, button colon drop, drop. Okay, one matching element, the button is this one. Okay, copying. Okay, mouse over. Okay, so how to do? Await page dot locator, the locator is this and I want to hover on it. So how to do? The method is hover. Okay, so this is the one way. Another way is, as we have done for click and double click, the same thing, that is await page dot hover the locator. Okay, so after this we need to select the language. Okay, so here this is a text, so how to select based on text? We have locator, that is, I will show you, page dot locator text. If you want to select something based on the text, you can use text is equal to, within a single quote, what is the text? So the text is Java. So what we want to do, we want to click on it. Okay, okay, so after clicking on it, let us take this element and validate the text. Okay, it has id. Let us take id. So await expect page dot locator. So id is the locator. To have text, so the text is Java. Okay, okay, so now let us execute this. Okay, some error, we will see what is that. Okay, page did not load. Okay, let us execute it again. Okay, as we can see here, it selected Java. Okay, okay, let us see, there is some error. Okay, so here text should be capital J. Okay, so here I give small j. Okay, let us execute this again. Okay, it selected Java. Okay. So here I did not give ID. I just pasted here. Okay, okay, okay. Java got selected. Okay, one test is passed. Okay, so now the next thing is we will do drag and drop. Okay, so sorry, so we have this drag and drop in this application. Okay, so here, so I'll just take this button that drop me on the green box, dragging and dropping it to the target location. Okay, so first, to do that we need the locator of these two boxes. Okay, so let us inspect the first one. Right click and inspect. Okay, the ID is drag source. Okay. 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 I'll comment this code. Okay, so here the code is, it is just very simple. Okay, so the syntax is the locator, and after that the method is drag and drop. Okay, so here drag and drop accepts two things, one is source and target. Okay, so let us write the locator. Await page dot locator, so the locator, and before locator, so page dot the method name, drag and drop. Okay, so drag and drop, so from where do you want to drag? So from this one. Okay, ID drag source, ash the ID, and after that comma, and to drop here the source. Okay, this is the source is drop target, and it is ID ash target. Okay, so after this let us validate this message, drop is successful message. Okay, here the tag is h3, it has three matching element. Okay, let us go to its parent div tag, div space h3, or let us take this, await expect page dot locator, the locator is this, to have text, so the text is drop is successful. Okay, let us execute this, and there is another method to do drag and drop, I'll show you that. Okay, as we can see, the drop is successful. Okay, okay, so now the another method is almost same, await page dot locator, so here mention the locator to be dragged. Okay, okay, this is the locator to be dragged, ash drag source. Okay, so after this, okay, so after this again dot page dot locator, again page dot locator, sorry, dot drag to, you have to say drag to sorry drag to page dot locator, so here the target location, that is drop target, copy paste it. Okay, so here page dot locator, the locator where you want to be dragged, and dot drag to is a method. Okay, so put the target location. Okay, so here I will copy this assertion and I'll paste it here. Okay, I'll comment these two lines. Okay, okay, now let us execute this. Okay, drop is successful. Okay, so both the method works. Okay, so the next one is, or the last one is scrolling. Okay, so you must have observed one thing, that so here, see, I'll refresh the page, I'll refresh once again. Okay, so here we are not seeing this area by default, drag and drop. correct? But when we executed that script, the playwright automatically scroll down, correct? So suppose if you want to manually scroll down, there is a method for that, but playwright automatically scroll down. Okay, so we'll see how to manually scroll down. Okay, so for that, await page dot mouse mouse dot wheel. Okay, page dot mouse dot wheel. So here mention the pixels 0 comma 200. Okay, I want to scroll down to 200 pixel down. Okay, so just observe that. Let us execute. One thing we should remember is playwright automatically scroll down and highlight the element we want to perform any action on. Okay, okay, see, it scrolled down a bit. Let us do for 500 and see 500 pixel. Okay, 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 so these are all the actions we can perform on mouse. Okay, and if you think you learned something from this video, please support me by hitting the like button and please do subscribe. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video.